Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Make with Airtable. This powerful integration allows you to automate workflows, saving you valuable time and effort. Before we dive in, make sure you have active accounts for both services. You'll also need to find your Airtable API key, which is essential for establishing a secure connection between the two platforms. This key acts like a secret password, granting Make permission to interact with your Airtable bases. Now, let's begin building your automation scenario in Make. From your Make dashboard, click Create a new scenario to start fresh. Your first step is to add an Airtable module. This module will be the bridge between Make and your Airtable base. For many automations, you might choose an action like Watch Records, which triggers the scenario whenever new data appears in your specified Airtable table. With your Airtable module added, it's time to configure the connection. You'll need to create a new connection and paste your Airtable API key into the provided field. This step authenticates Make, allowing it to access your Airtable data. After successful authentication, you'll select the specific Airtable base and then the particular table within that base that your scenario will interact with. Once your Airtable module is configured, it's crucial to test your scenario. Click the Run Once button in Make to execute the workflow and observe the results. Check the output to confirm that data is being pulled or pushed as expected. If everything looks good, you can then activate your scenario, allowing it to run automatically according to its schedule, providing seamless automation for your tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.